All right, what's up, guys? We're here with Larry. What's it called? I heard rumors that there is a new ghost in the mines. So, like, if you're like just by yourself, like you have a partner, but you guys separated, the ghost might spawn, and you might start seeing things, hearing things. So me and Larry are going to be trying hunting, and this is day 1 of hunting this ghost.
Yes.
So if we don't find it today, we'll find it tomorrow. So let's get right into this video. Come on, Larry. Let's get packed up.
I'm gonna check it. Hold.
So we're just going to do one mining trip. If we do not find nothing, then, well, we don't find anything, and we have to do day 2. I promise you this is not clickbait, and like, there is somebody else, I'll admit this, oh wait, nobody else, okay, there's nobody else, so it's just me and Larry. So if we see anything, hear anything, then, yeah. And if you hear some, Larry, come on, Larry, we gotta go.
Oh. Hey, Nathan.
Oh, there. Okay, so it's just us 3, but what's it called? I'm gonna just head into the mines and see if I can find anything. This animal company ghost. I don't know if this is true, I don't know if this is false, but it's something. So we're just going to head down, do like a normal mining trip, mine all of these. And if you don't know, mines is actually really scary. And especially when you get split up with your teammate and you find yourself. So, let's just do this. I'm gonna just get the gold. If I find lots of gold, I might just collect it. Okay, I'll collect this. Okay, I think they're coming. I don't know. Let's just make sure nothing bad happens. Okay. Collect this. Collect this. And yeah, I think we're good, okay. Okay, now we're at the bottom. Oh, freaking spider. I'm a little paranoid, yes. Don't like being by myself. Okay, I thought I heard something. Okay. A little scared, not gonna lie, a little scared. Just gonna collect some stuff, okay? It's gonna be easy, just gonna be light. Nothing too hard. I thought I heard something. I don't know if I... Okay, I'm gonna turn my headset a little bit. Okay, now I could hear everything. Yo, I'm thinking I hear something. Yo, I'm actually so scared. Okay, now I'm actually... Oh, there's Larry. Larry, I'm over here. Oh my god. I was about to say I heard something.
Oh, right there.
Okay. Some gold.
I have this tablet here. It could show us like where the monster.
Oh, come on.
Good. Alright, let's go. I have this like tablet, it like shows me where the monsters are.
Okay, let's just try to get up here. Stuck, okay. Okay, nothing yet. Little fool. Let's just... see. did not hear nothing yet. Just going right in. Okay. Oh my god. Larry? I hear walking. Oh, it's so loud down here. Yo, I'm seeing things. I'm seeing things. Freak. Oh my god. Alright. It's either I'm seeing things or I saw something at that bunker. I know for sure I saw something at that bunker. Okay, let's see how much money we'll make. I know for a fact I saw something there. Okay, decent amount. Alright. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna do one more trip. Without a light. Okay. It's kind of scary. I don't know. What? Yo! 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 No! 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 Yo! No! No! Holy! Oh no! I can't leave! I gotta go! Larry, come help me! One of you guys come help me, please! Frick! No! 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 No!
Where?
Oh, Larry! Larry! I just heard like a...
What?
It was like... I don't know how to explain it, but...
Wait,
It sounded like a...
Hold this tab.
Like a
Wait.
blow.
Hold this tab. Alright, someone... Wait,
No.
get this
Hey,
sticky
hold up,
dynamite.
listen to me. There, I heard like a little, like a blow in my ear. So, like right on the side of my ear, I was like, I promise you, and you guys were not here. I got it. I'm turning that,
Alright.
turning the volume up right there. Oh my God, I heard something. I promise you. Please, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I don't want to be here anymore. You guys can stay, but I'm out of here. When do you guys break this? When do you guys break this? Hey, watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Could someone stick this thing?
Okay.
What the?
Okay. Hey. Larry, I'm editing here. Okay. Guys, that's gonna be it. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for day 2. Holy!
Yes.
I swear I heard a whisper. Oh my God. All right. Peace.